How effective are your current search engine marketing strategies? Are they driving the results you desire? If you're shaking your head, don't worry. It's time to reassess and revamp those strategies, and this is the perfect place to start. In the vast digital landscape, search engine marketing remains a vital component in the marketer's toolkit. It's a dynamic field that's always evolving, with new techniques and trends emerging regularly. To stay ahead, it's essential to keep refining your strategies. Here are some actionable tips to help you do just that. First off, consider incorporating long-tail keywords into your strategy. These are phrases that are very specific to your product or service. While they might get less search traffic, the traffic they do attract is more qualified and likely to convert. Think of it as attracting the right crowd rather than the biggest crowd. Next, focus on the quality of your content. It's not enough to just pepper your website with keywords. Your content needs to provide genuine value to your audience. It should answer their questions, solve their problems, and engage them on a deeper level. Remember, content is king in the world of digital marketing. Thirdly, optimize your website for mobile. More and more people are using their smartphones to search for information. If your website doesn't function well on mobile, you're likely to lose out on a significant portion of your audience. Make sure your website is responsive and loads quickly on all devices. Fourthly, don't underestimate the power of local SEO. If you're a local business, optimizing for local search is crucial. Make sure your business is listed in online directories and try to garner positive reviews. These can significantly boost your visibility in local search results. Lastly, keep an eye on your competitors. What strategies are they using? What's working for them and what isn't? Use this information to refine your own strategies. But remember, don't just copy what they're doing. Instead, use it as inspiration and find ways to do it better. In summary, a successful search engine marketing strategy is multifaceted. It involves incorporating long-tail keywords, focusing on content quality, optimizing for mobile, leveraging local SEO, and keeping an eye on the competition. It's a continuous process of learning, experimenting, and refining. But remember, the most important thing is to provide genuine value to your audience. If you can do that, you're already on the right track. So, take these tips and start revamping your search engine marketing strategies today. After all, the digital landscape waits for no one. And in this game, the early bird catches the worm. And that's a wrap on today's discussion about search engine marketing strategies. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the digital world and strive to make your mark. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and watch your business grow.